We'll guide you through how to fix low Wi-Fi signal strength in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This will be annoying as you then got a bad connection. For the first fix, make sure you're using the 2.4 GHz channel on your router. Some routers are going to output multiple different channels. So what you can do is go and press Wi-Fi in the bottom right, press the arrow, and you can then go and choose the 2.4 GHz channel. If you don't have it, don't worry. Let's get to the next method. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in device manager. In here, you need to go and find the option for network adapters. Press the arrow to the left to expand it. Go and find yours. In this case, my adapter is this one here, and you want to go and right click on it and press update driver. What you can then do is do a automatic update, see if there's anything available there. And if it is an update, then go and see if it's managed to solve the problem. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is pressing search at the bottom, and you can go and type in troubleshoot settings like this. Then you can press other troubleshooters and you can go and find network and internet, and you can go and run this. If there's some type of problem, it's going to go and be fixed. This will open up, scroll down, and you can find restart the Wi-Fi network adapter and press restart and it will restart it. If it still doesn't work, then consider getting a stronger Wi-Fi adapter. You can get them as USBs to go and plug them in.